Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can IR Blaster be installed? Start the initial setup process of the Android TV. When the message "Control your TV and cable, satellite box with one remote" or "Control your TV and set-top box with one remote" appears on the TV screen during the initial setup, select Yes or Setup. On the Power On and Connect screen, select OK. Connect the IR Blaster. Which Android has IR Blaster? An IR Blaster can be an asset on your phone, allowing it to double as a universal remote, giving you control over various electronic devices in your home. Vivo X70 Pro Plus, Huawei P50 Pro, Poco F3 series, Xiaomi Mi 11 series, Xiaomi 11T series, Poco X3 Pro and X3 GT, Redmi Note 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus, Poco M4 Pro. Can I add IR Blaster to phone? You can add an IR Blaster to your phone in two ways. Get a 3.5mm IR Blaster or use an IR Blaster that works over Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. The 3.5mm IR Blaster works over a distance of up to 15 meters and needs a dedicated app to control devices.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.